All right, hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Tone Vays. This is going to be one of those extra short ones because I literally have about 5 minutes before going on yet another yacht party here in Dubai because obviously it's the weekend. This is also my last 2 days here in Dubai, and I am off to Turkey. We will see how that goes, and I'll bring you videos from there as well. Once again, no camera, just honestly too lazy to do it. It's in my bag. I'm already like borderline packed. Let's go to the charts. This is going to be a lightning fast version. I have not yet restarted my computer, and therefore I do not have access to the weekly chart. But we don't really need the weekly chart. We know what is going on in the weekly chart. Today is Friday, even in the United States. It is already Friday. Where's my screen share here? Wait, I'm just like watching it on YouTube as well. Hopefully it'll show up in a minute. And there is a bit of a longer delay. Yeah, there it is. Okay. And here is it's not a problem, but it is something of note that this is the candle before the MRI top candle. So we have about 12 more hours to go, maybe a little more than that, about 18 hours to go to reach the next MRI top candle, which is coming. But I really like this consolidation here. And we have consolidated for now the third day, even though this day had a bit of a breakout and we finally broke $60,000 once again. Did we break $60,000 on this candle? We did by $70. Did we break 60,000 on this candle? We did not. We didn't break it here. We came up just short, but we did break it on current candle back to $60,070. So that means, and we're above here and above here and there. So we're breaking out. This is the process of breaking out. Therefore, I am expecting us to break all-time high very, very soon. I am keeping in mind that there is a daily MRI top that's coming in tomorrow, but the consolidation has already been happening. So I would not be surprised if we break out immediately following the MRI candle, something similar to what happened here at this MRI top, and then on the following MRI top here. When there is consolidation going into an MRI top, and we saw a little bit of consolidation here on February 5th and a lot more consolidation here on the 14th of February. The current environment to me reminds me a lot more of what happened on the 14th of February than here, though we did pull back quite a bit before that. So I am still looking for a breakout and going into 66, maybe even $70,000 over the next several weeks. So I remain very bullish, and I am 100% allocated into GBTC on my Bitcoin trading position. Gold continues to rally. I'm actually a little surprised why gold is so low. I had said earlier this year, or earlier last month or this month, that I expected this to be the low for the year. We came close to breaching that low, but we did not breach it, and the MRI support held. So I remain of the conviction that gold has bottomed for the year, and we should reach new all-time high at some point this year, strictly based on how much money they're printing and how much money in the United States AOC wants to print. It's never enough money to print. The S&P 500 has been consolidating, and I am looking for a big breakout in the S&P 500 as well. Here's the weekly chart. The markets are, of course, closed. It's a 3-day holiday weekend for Easter, and therefore there's not going to be much updates. The mempool, what the hell happened here? What the hell is that? That really happened, or is that a bug? I looked at the mempool like 5 minutes ago. That wasn't there. Let's refresh. Could be just a bug. Well, I don't have time to wait. I have 60 seconds. Maybe. Okay. So it could be a bug on the front end here. So we were clearing like 15 set per byte transactions just an hour ago. So if you are sending Bitcoin transactions right now, maybe 20 cents will get you in. It's a 3-day holiday weekend. Mempool should, clear out. A low priority transaction right now should probably be okay with like 10 to 8 Satoshi per byte, and a 20 set transaction is a high priority transaction. All right, guys, I can't pull this up, so that's okay. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Please check out my Twitter. I just got my hands on this video that I tweeted out. They're not even hiding it. There was tweets. This is the ultimate boss of the Bitcoin needs to defeat. If you played video games back in the 90s, I mean, I still have bosses, but back then it was more funny. It was always like this big fat guy that you have to beat at the end for all these fighting games. So this guy is it. Listen to what he had to say. There was so much going on here. First of all, if this guy lived through the pandemic, there is no fucking pandemic. It's just bullshit. Okay. Now, next, he referred to money as central bank's liability, which is insane. And he also basically said, if we don't know how you're spending your $100 or 1,000 pesos, then we should have the ability to cancel your ability to spend money. That's basically what he is saying. Bitcoin fixes this, not Monero. You people are just insane. These people, they're like, oh, Monero, Monero, Monero. Monero is a shitcoin. Monero is a totally useless shitcoin. You are better off using copper. Stop. It's insane. Okay. It has absolutely no security. It has absolutely no velocity. No one uses it. And getting in and out of Monero will completely dox you. If you want anonymity in your Bitcoin, it's not that hard to do. Okay. It's going to be Bitcoin. It's not going to be shitcoins. All right, guys. On this note, I am out. Thank you all for watching, and see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.